Siri, play Allow Me to Enjoy Myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Hey, allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Hey. Yummy, 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 yummy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Damitani. Today we'll be making ogbono soup. Let's get right into it. I have here my ogbono powder, already grinded ogbono. I have some parboiled stock fish here. I have some diced scotch bonnet, some seasoning powder, salt, ground pepper, ground crayfish, ground cameroun pepper, chopped ugu leaves, frozen if you have fresh preferable, palm oil, assorted boiled meat and its meat stock. So I've just placed my pan on fire and I'm going to go in with some water. The water quantity depends on the consistency of ogbono that you want to achieve. Some people like their ogbono really thick, while some people like it light. I like mine to be in between, not too thick and not too thin. So yes, this is the quantity of water I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to go in with my already boiled meat. And then I'll go in with my diced scotch bonnet. This is very optional. You might decide to skip this this part because I like pepper. That's why I'm going in with that. And then I'll go in with my parboiled stockfish, stir everything together so that the water can boil the meat and fish together. And then I've gone in with my seasoning, my crayfish, going in with my cameroun pepper at this point. And then I'll go in with my ground pepper also. I'll also be going in with some salt to taste, and then I'll just stir everything together to allow the ingredients be evenly distributed in the water so that it can boil the meat and fish properly. Now I'm going in with half of my palm oil quantity at this point. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use the other half to do, but right now I'm just going to stir the mixture together to ensure that all my ingredients would get evenly distributed. Then I'll cover and let it to boil for some time. I'll then get a dry pan and then go in with the other half of my palm oil. Remember, we split my palm oil into two halves, and then I'll just leave it under a really low heat. As you can see in my ogbono powder, I have some stones. This is like a storage issue. I know some people have this challenge, and I'm just wondering, what do you do when you have this kind of challenge with your ogbono powder? Do you just toss it in the bin, or do you try to salvage the situation like I am doing here? Well, I'm breaking up the lumps now with my spoon, and you see that the lumps are actually breaking up so easily. So yes, this is how to fix that ogbono powder that has lots of stones in it. You don't need to waste it and toss it in the bin anymore. No. It's not spoiled. It's just a storage issue. And then now I have like a thick paste. That's when you know that your ogbono is ready to go into the mixture that you've been boiling. So I'm just going to go in with the paste at this point, and then when I toss some, I just mix it together, ensure that there are no lumps, everything is evenly distributed in the mixture, the water mixture, and then I'll go in with the rest again and do the same process again, just to ensure that everything dissolves in the water and is cooking properly as it should. So now I'm stirring everything together. My ogbono is looking yummy already at this point, because you see that the boiling water is helping the ogbono to get drawy already. You can see my ogbono is drawing already. Hey, I don't know what I'm going to eat with this ogbono. By the time I'm done, I'll decide what I'm eating with it. But at this point, let's just make sure that it's properly cooked first. So now My ogbono is looking yummy already. Some people stop the process at this point, but I would rather put ugu or any leaves that I have at home. So I heard that cooking onions with your ogbono soup, putting onions in your ogbono soup makes the ogbono soup less drawy. Is this true? Have you tried onions in your ogbono soup before, and did it turn out nice? I really want to find out because I've never cooked ogbono soup with onions in it. So if you have tried it, please leave a comment below and let me find out how the result turned out. I really want to read about it. Now my ogbono soup is ready. Just look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. Wow. You can enjoy ogbono soup with eba, semo, anything, any swallow of your choice. I'm enjoying mine with poundo yam. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.